Have you ever walked into your bedroom after a long, exhausting day, only to find your cat curled up not in that expensive, plush bed you bought them, but directly on top of your damp gym clothes or a sweater you wore yesterday? It's a little strange, isn't it? We might find it slightly gross or even a bit annoying, especially as we reach for the lint roller for the third time that morning. But I want to ask you something that might change how you see your home tonight. Do you actually know what makes your cat feel loved? Most of us assume it's the premium treats or the perfect chin scratches, but the truth is often hidden in that pile of laundry you are about to wash. When your cat buries their face in your dirty clothes, they aren't just being quirky, they are performing a silent ritual of safety, a profound dialogue between their soul and yours that is rooted in a world of scent we can barely perceive. You see, for a cat, scent isn't just one of the five senses, it's a language of survival and a deep biological connection. I was thinking about how they navigate our world, and it's so much more complex than we realize. They possess a specialized tool called the vomeronasal organ, or the Jacobson's organ, located in the roof of their mouth. According to the foundational anatomical study by Salazar and colleagues, this organ is a sophisticated bridge between their sense of smell and their emotional brain, allowing them to taste the chemical signals we leave behind. When they inhale your scent from a discarded shirt, they aren't just identifying you, they are processing your biological signature in a way that goes far beyond simple recognition. It makes me wonder, if your shirt is like a map of your day, what story is your cat reading while you're busy in the other room? Recent research has shown us just how deeply this affects them. A 2025 study published in PLOS One by Miari and colleagues discovered that cats don't just distinguish between their owner's scent and a stranger's, they actually show specific behavioral responses, including something called nostril lateralization, where they use different sides of their nose to process familiar versus unfamiliar smells, suggesting a profound emotional preference. Your unique scent triggers a very specific, comforting part of their brain that no one else in the world can activate. There's something even more touching happening here that touches on our shared history. Just like a human child looks to a parent, your cat looks to you as what researchers call a secure base. The landmark 2019 study by Vital and her team confirmed that cats exhibit secure attachment styles, similar to those seen in human infants, meaning your presence and your concentrated scent provides them with the biological confidence to rest when they feel most vulnerable. When you leave your clothes on the floor, you aren't just leaving a mess, you are leaving behind a physical proxy of your protection. But there's a part of this story that's a bit more heavy, something that we don't always talk about in the sunlight. What happens when this obsession with your clothes shifts from a sweet habit to something more? There's a heartbreaking line where a cat's love for your scent turns into a silent cry for help. And I want to share how to recognize that shift later in this video, because it's something every caregiver needs to know to keep their friend safe. For now, I want you to think about how we can use this unearned wisdom to actually help them. If you know your cat is facing a stressful event, maybe a move, a loud storm, or a trip to the vet, don't give them a freshly laundered blanket. Instead, give them something you've recently worn, something that smells intensely of you. I call this scent soaking. By placing your dirty laundry in their carrier or on their favorite perch, you are providing them with a biological anchor of safety that can lower their stress levels in unfamiliar environments. It's a small, zero-cost act of empathy that speaks directly to their hardwired instincts. In the wild, cats live in complex social structures where a group scent is the ultimate sign of belonging. They engage in behaviors like aloe rubbing and aloe grooming, specifically to create a communal perfume that identifies every member of the family. When your cat lays on your laundry, they are adding their scent to yours, weaving your lives together into one shared identity. It's perhaps the most profound way they can say, "I love you," without ever making a sound. However, as I mentioned, we have to stay observant. While most cats just want to be near your essence, some can develop a condition called pica, where they begin to chew or even ingest textiles. This is a pathological behavior that is distinctly different from normal scent seeking and can be a sign of deep-seated anxiety or even genetic triggers, especially in breeds like Siamese or Burman cats, who might engage in compulsive wool sucking. It's a reminder that while their obsession with our laundry is usually a beautiful sign of attachment, it can also be a way they try to soothe a mind that doesn't feel safe. Isn't it incredible that something as simple as a discarded t-shirt can be a lifeline for another soul? The next time you find your cat nestled into your laundry basket, I hope you don't just see a mess to be cleaned. I hope you see a creature who finds their home in your scent. You are their secure base, their family, and their greatest comfort. And in their world, home smells exactly like you.